Hello and welcome to this introduction to Automation Director. Automation Director, or AD for short, is part of the Intelligent Management Suite, or IMS. IMS is a combination of management applications available for HPE XP storage systems. Initially supplied as a virtual appliance, all of the IMS components are very easy to install. AD allows you to simplify and delegate storage administration tasks and enables process automation and integration with other devices and applications. Simplifying and delegating tasks not only increases efficiency and therefore reduces cost, it empowers users and reduces opportunity for human error. Automation and integration take this a stage further. For example, to automatically start a recovery process or start a DevOps process triggered by an approved ticket in a help desk system. Sticking with the example of a DevOps process, it's easy to see there may be a lot of steps and a number of different departments involved. AD allows you to simplify such a process and define a service template. The service template being the sequence of tasks required to achieve the desired objective. Each task in the sequence may be a storage-related activity, a logical decision like an if or a loop, or for example integration with another device or application via REST API or CLI commands. A service is created from the service template. It is the service that may then be delegated to individual users or teams. Delegated services may be customized so that different users or teams interact with different resources. But services don't have to be delegated to humans. They can also be triggered by schedules such as cron tasks, or started from an external trigger such as a batch process that may not start at the same time every day, or some other external dependency. In terms of integration, services may also call upon other applications to trigger an external process. Perhaps the service needs to query the current state of a device, or perhaps obtain information such as a list of host names from an external database. A number of service templates are supplied to integrate with a selection of third-party applications and devices. To control services, AD provides a user-specific dashboard. The dashboard enables the user to stop and start tasks and see the progress of currently running tasks. A task is the name for an instance of a service. The service catalog contains all of the services delegated for that user to choose from. Administrators have the ability to define users, groups, and manage all aspects of service and service templates. When it comes to submitting a service, the user selects one from those available to them. The user then follows a simple step process to provide any required information or make selections. A submitted service then becomes a task and enters the running state. Where a running task requires manual intervention, it shows on the user's dashboard as waiting for input. AD comes with a service catalog containing many example service templates. It also includes a number of plugins which enable integration with third-party applications and devices. And when the supplied service templates are not quite as you would like, they can be extended or new templates created, using languages such as JavaScript and Python. Service templates may be exported and imported, so can be retained in version control systems or shared as desired. New service templates can be created from scratch or cloned from existing templates, and steps are added to the flow, and then the service template can be tested, debugged, and released. New services can then be created from the template and added to the service catalog. So, a service template defines a workflow consisting of one or more steps. A step can be an action or a decision. A step can also call another service template, and steps can share data. The service template is then used to create a service. You might be thinking this is all getting rather complicated. Well, AD provides a development environment called Service Builder to help with the editing of service templates. Like other IDEs, Service Builder includes a step debugger and tracing facilities. All testing and debugging occurs within Service Builder before the service template is finally released. Deploying AD couldn't be simpler. It comes as part of the IMS OVA template, but it may also be installed independently if desired. Various server configurations are supported and provide distributed and high availability for the AD installation. Where AD is deployed on a single server as part of the IMS OVA, it may be able to operate without any other connectivity. However, to fully leverage its capabilities, or in the case of a distributed deployment, the AD server will also need to connect to other devices and applications over the network. Some examples are shown here. Let's recap. Automation Director allows you to simplify and automate complex or repetitive processes by creating services. AD allows services to be delegated to other teams whilst administrators retain control. AD is integrated with the XP Storage Intelligent Management Suite, and deployment is straightforward, being as simple as just an OVA template. User security can be integrated with existing security controls, and whilst AD comes with a selection of third-party plugins, it can be extended using languages like JavaScript or Python.